Okay, base done, brows done, I don't know what I'm pointing at, eyes primed, we can move on to the fun stuff. So, I've played with this once before, and I want to play with like these colors in here, like these pinks and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna start with Cheese Dust. I love the names of these colors. I'm gonna put this on like the outer, oh my god, that's bright. This outer like corner, third-ish area, and through the crease. Wow, she's bright. Wow, just like that. And then I'm gonna take, ooh, I keep sticking my fingers in the Flaming Hot, which is the red, and I'm gonna use that to deepen up the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take the shade Pig-ment, Pig-ment, and use that to blend out the edges. Beautiful. Next, I'm going to take Trisha and put that on my lid. Woo. Okay, I want to deepen up the outer corner a little bit more, so I'm going to take Not a Fact. I'm just blending this out here. Okay, that's better. Just a little bit. I'm going to take that same color, lower lash line, and I'm going to blend the edges with Pig-ment again. For the inner corner, I'm going to take, yeah, I'm going to take Conspiracy and just put that in here. And then Ranch for the brow bone. So this is the eyeshadow done. I'm going to put black liner in my tie line and my waterline, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then we'll be back to talk about this. Here are the eyes done. I put a little bit of liner on the top lash line also, just so it didn't look like I had an eye infection. Yeah, and I put some mascara on, and that's that. So let's finish the face, and then I'll give you some thoughts. Okay, rest of the makeup is on. Hi. I love this palette. The Pig-ment, the Pig-ment. Pig-ment, how many times can I say Pig-ment? Is amazing. Like, I haven't played with every single color in here, but I've used like about half of it by now, and it's so good. It's all so good, and I wouldn't expect anything less from Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star, I'm gonna say it, has the best eyeshadow formula ever of all time. It's amazing. So I absolutely love this. I keep sticking my fingers in it though. I absolutely love this palette. The colors, like, I like how you get, I'm holding it upside down. I like how you get this top row of like neutrals to really like set up your look, and then you get like all these fun colors in the middle, you get some fun colors over here, you get deeper colors to darken up your look. Like, I just think this was really well thought out on Shane's part because this is his palette. I think he did an amazing job with this. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I love this. Next video will be with the mini controversy. I was going to say mini conspiracy theory, but I was like, no, conspiracy is this one. So next video will be mini controversy, and then I will have another video with all of the lips. This is not one of them. But yeah, so stay tuned for more Jeffree Shane stuff. Freaking love this thing. That's all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.